my channel, and good morning again from Georgetown, Malaysia, Penang, Malaysia. And team with me is driving a car.
Always driving.
Always driving.
Chauffeur. I never get tipped, by the way. I never get a tip, by the way.
And we're looking for a sofa and more food coming, more adventure. And maybe today, if not raining, we're going to the beach, to Batu Kawan. Hopefully it's not raining. And we're looking for what we're looking for.
At the beach?
Yeah. Maybe swimming?
Maybe swimming?
Yeah, swimming. And looking for street food over there.
And maybe
hopefully.
we might even try to get a fishing trip in.
Fishing trip, yeah. We're looking for
Not
that.
today, but we'll plan one.
But it's look like the coming soon, raining.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain today.
Yeah, it's a bit dark today.
So looks like we might be hiding out again.
Yeah. So. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Maybe this is Asli furniture, maybe it's a shopping mall, or we don't know. So we are on the way to going there, and see you there. Promotion. Yeah, same people. Alright, let's go check. Alright guys, let's go inside to check the furniture. This is Asli furniture. How much this one? 6,000. That's not bad.
Yeah, but it depends what's included. They do like to do what they did last time.
You mean that one only?
Could be. That's how they do it.
Which one for the price for that one?
6399 is for 2 plus 3 seater. 1 seater and Ottoman is separate price.
This one and only
Yes,
this one.
one set is 6399. So all the price tag showing is for 2 plus 3 in one price.
Okay.
But if you want to buy separately, also can.
You have more cheaper than that?
If you want to buy only 3 seater, it's more cheaper than that. This is price for 2 plus 3.
Yeah. Alright, let's check another one. That one also different?
2 plus 3 also.
2 plus
so this
3.
book is separate.
Wow. So for the price, like this one, that one and that one.
It's only that one?
No, that's all. You
Okay,
said.
so it's a set. All right.
Yeah, except separate. If you buy like this, separate.
Yeah, okay. Makes a little more sense.
Look at that, but it's 4,000.
This here?
Yeah.
It's kind of comfortable. Sit on it.
I like that. It's really comfy. Yeah. So that one
Closer to the
price.
budget.
Yeah.
Is there any discounts or anything? What she said?
Do you have any discount?
Yeah, now we're having a rebate. If you buy the upholstery, you will get rebate 500 ringgit from that price.
Okay, so that's 500 off of that price.
Which one? Oh, this is nice. Maybe it's big for the living room.
That's too big for our living room.
What else that?
It's not in our budget. I mean, this is closest to the budget I'm trying to stay right here. Not bad looking. It's alright.
Oh, really, they got some color, any different material.
Material's alright. I'm fine with it.
We went there. It's kind of like a bit pricey, but the material is good. The quality is really good. And now we're going to Heavy Norman. Check it there. Let's go there.
I don't think
Look at this. What is this?
go-karts. Race go-karts.
Ah, they like race?
Yeah, the race go-karts. I don't think we can get in hard enough.
No, it's closed.
Lock the door.
I go up. Up and then go down. Oh, that's a parking lot. Go back and then go to other side. Well, guys, right now we are in Heavy Norman. Let's go checking a sofa. Look at this TV. They should got this on the.
Wow.
Wow. That's the price, guys.
It's really expensive.
10,000.
That one 10,000?
Chris in the bedroom.
Yeah. Got the one in the bedroom? That's a
Yeah.
nice chair. We put that with the blue, that'd look good on.
Blue, yeah.
Look good with that.
That one? Oh, that's 6,000. Leather. With budget.
Keep it under control a little bit.
What is it?
So what's your big sales? Any big sales going on?
Any big sale? We got
Big
promotion
sales
for
or
the
anything?
for the
already
sofa.
discount,
Okay.
Yeah, the price already discount 50%.
Oh, that's 50% already. Okay, that one different. That one 9,000.
Too much jumping out of it.
This one, baby.
But with these guys, it's just this. It's not the whole set. Usually.
Hmm?
It's usually just that. It's not the whole set. This is a cool color. Look at this. Check this out. I really like this.
Wow.
Look at this.
Yeah, 8,000 baby. Ooh, look at the color. Guys, I love this color.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Well, it was a little cheaper.
Oh, Lily.
If you want to go 9,000.
9,000.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Exactly. That's what. Oh. Pretty close what we're looking for. Fine.
What about that one? That one is just all of for the 4,000 or
Yeah.
for that one?
Oh, kita have right. There's 3-seater and 2-seater.
Oh, it's a 5
Yeah,
seater.
yeah.
That for 5,000. A little closer to the budget.
Yeah. Look at the orange one. Around 6,000.
6,000.
Yeah.
5,000. 300 bucks.
Oh, they already discount.
This good thing about this is a recliner. This one reclines, so that's in that one.
I like this one. Look at this. For 5 seater, it's not that bad.
This one's not bad either.
Mm-hmm.
This one reclines. I like this actually.
Look at that guy. Wow. Michael Kors. Okay, we went to the Heavy Norman, we went to the Ashley Furniture, both like kind of expensive, it's not under budget. So, and now let's go find a restaurant, let's go find food. I'm hungry, and yeah, I hope we find what we like here. See you then. It's a soup with noodles with fried fish, fillet, and preserved vegetarian soup. So what is the code? So spicy. Yeah, so spicy. got vinegar here. Let's try it. Tastes good now. Okay, as I see, now I'm in restaurant. It's a Chinese restaurant. Ordering again noodles, dry noodles and soup noodles. For me, of course, has as well. It's a soup noodles, and Tim is always dry noodles. And he coming back, so we order extra spicy. That's crazy. But this, wow, it's kind of like so spicy. Now you want some fish? Healthy. So they add the deep fried fish on the soup. That tastes good. These noodles.
Yep.
Look at the chili. That's crazy, it's so spicy. Now let's drink the volume. It's so spicy, my mouth's so red. Alright, we done?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay guys, let's go next. Are we going to the shop, furniture shop again, right? And then, okay, let's pay. So the 2 meal and 2 drink cost us is $10, 43 ringgit. It's a Malaysian ringgit, so it's a $10 US dollar. Where are we going?
Drinks.
Yeah, 2 meal and 2 drink. Yeah. Fishing boat over there.
this shit up.
Continue screen for 11 minutes to exit 2801. Under cashier, Batu Kawan, Zipping and
Hey guys, I'm again here. So right now I'm in Ikea. It's close to Penang Bridge, and let's go to find coffee first and then go to the looking for furniture. Alright guys, this is the Ikea. Orange. This is your dining and living room. It's a tiny house, like 100.
Yeah, it's not that cheap.
Alright, this is all the couch here.
This is what we need for there.
For the outside?
Yeah.
Look at this couch. That's not bad. This is what my boss buying there. This one. It's very comfy. 2,600.
Yeah, but don't have to forward the other one.
Yeah, guys. Can I sit?
What is that?
Good. No, what is this color? So red. Then this one.
Like that one.
This is 5,000. Okay. There is nothing. So we have up there.
This is what it looks perfect.
3,400. So this is all the couch guys in Ikea.
Pricing is no better than Harvey Norman.
It's not that best like a Harvey Norman.
Best quality.
The quality is cheap, huh?
Always the same. Sofa, I never liked that.
Leather. So this one will become a bed.
We don't want it. Extra.
3,500. That one. That one.
I really like Ikea stuff.
Yellow. So this is the dining. Now this is a living area. What about this? This is for TV.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, see, 400 ringgit. No, I want that one. So this is nice. This is TV. No, this one bed perfect.
You're gonna have to have a TV stand in front of the room.
Yes. So this is office. Alright, what is that? Now we're going to closet section. That one is kitchen. Office. This is office section. So this is a dining section. It's a dining section. This is your dining, this is your kitchen. This is the bathroom area. Bed section. Closing. Okay. Bed section. That one.
No, 22 right? 3,000.
Expensive. So expensive. What? So when you get 1,000? So this is 1,000 ringgit.
Or
Then what about this one? 1,200.
what is it? 3,000. I don't know what it's called. Odds are trying to be cheap as I thought they were. This is actually not bad when we were doing it. I wouldn't put machine.
Expensive for 1,600 like that? I order from.
This, God.
This is 2,000.
They went up a lot in price. The last time we bought them, we were.
What about this one?
They were 1,000 rings before that.
Like this one.
How much is that one? 3,000. But it includes this, and it's all of this. I think this is the whole thing. Yeah, that's not bad. Well, that's not bad. It includes all of that. That's a little better. You get all of this.
with the mirror.
That would handle all of us.
Complete. It's complete 3,000.
That would handle your stuff and my stuff.
Yeah, that's include all. For this one, right? 2,000.
That's the only way. That's a set, right? Like that?
Set, yeah, this is set. So the price is 2,000.
What a ticket underneath.
Huh?
Different price underneath. Okay. So there you go. That would probably handle anything we want to do a couple thousand rings.
Yeah, 2,000. This is good.
Yeah.
What about this one? 1,800 ringgit. This is 1,800.
2,000 and have a look at that. That one's bigger. That's all set up. I mean, it takes a lot. I mean, you can hang a lot of shit in there.
This look nice.
Oh, it looks nice. Let's see if we find that other one we like. Where's that other one we like? I don't see it up.
No, only there. Oh, the display.
Yeah. That.
Guys, now we're looking for the curtain. And this one perfect for the bed, right?
Look at that. They got our closet. There's our closet. It's the exact closet we're looking at.
Yeah. Or I can put just mirror closet here. It's all the curtain here. That one better.
179. Okay. We gotta do curtains with the top.
We'll buy this one, right? Buy metal this. I'm gonna I can sewing.
Yeah, make the curtains.
Sewing doing my video. So guys, we went to the Ikea, and Ikea so big, very massive Ikea. So we went there looking for furniture, and
It made me tired.
Yeah.
It's like when you go to Ikea, it's like an experience. You just gotta walk, and then you walk, and then you walk, and then you walk, and then you walk some more, and then you walk some more. Then when you think you're done, then you walk some more. So after time you get done, you're either so tired that you don't want to buy anything, okay, or you don't want to carry it out. If you're pushing in a cart, or carrying it, you don't want to do it, so you drop it. You leave so far, you want to leave it behind. But I didn't see any. Ikea used to be really cheap compared to everybody else. Now I don't see them being really any cheaper than anybody else. They have a big selection, but the furniture is okay quality. It's not any cheaper than a Harvey Norman. Actually, the quality of Harvey Norman and the price is very similar.
Yeah.
That's what we see. I mean, nothing personal Ikea, but it used to be the cheap place, the go-to place, cheap box store, but that's not the case anymore, guys.
So okay, all right. Right now we are stopping in Starbucks, so we have some snack.
And by the way, if you own Starbucks, we're advertising in Starbucks. Please send me some free Starbucks, huh?
Yeah, because we do Starbucks for 3 times a day.
Yes. I should own shares in Starbucks.
We always in Starbucks, and we got discounted cake. Cheesecake. It's your favorite, actually, which is
It doesn't look like my favorite because
That's a
everybody
cheese-
has their own version of cheesecake. Everybody does their own version because usually a good cheesecake has a dark color to it.
She said it's a new. So,
Oh God, you give me something new? She's giving me experimental cake. I mean, if you have to experiment on anything, cake is one of them, and I won't repeat the other thing that's always good.
Or
to
let
experiment.
taste then. Taste.
If she likes it, that means I probably won't like it.
Tastes good.
Still not like my cheesecake.
Because you like a lemon then.
It's like got a little lemon in it. Cheesecake's got a little more texture to it, a little more. You know, this is more like a cake. See, like a real soft, almost like an ice cream, or
Like
like
ice
a cream, or like a cream. It's got a lot of cream, and I don't want to see the calories in this. It'd scare you. But anyways, all right, guys,
Right? Let's enjoy our cake.
have your cake and eat it too.
Ice cream, huh?
It's like a cream. It's got like a cream.
I like it. Right, let me enjoy first our drink.
As far as you don't know if they'll move, or you don't know if it's worth money-wise for us.
This is not cake, this is ice cream. A lot of cream.
Yeah, it's a lot. Fluffy shit.
Meal, and what to say, I will tell you the story after I eat.
I'll tell them later.
Yeah,
Be back to the hotel.
I'm gonna tell you later about our experience
With Pizza Hut. With Pizza Hut of a place.
with Pizza Hut. Yes.
One of my favorite places. We'll tell you, it wasn't not a good start.
So this is mine, fried chicken. And with rice.
We don't care for that cheap cheese. Except for mozzarella shit.
That's good. Spicy, salty, and still hot. Cheese good.
Those Indian guys are here. When I'm sitting next to them, I was looking at it, put his mask on, and I looked at it. He's in a heavy discussion. Speaking Chinese or English?
Chinese.
English?
Chinese, speak Malay.
What?
This is that's good.
Should have. Started 1990. Orang California udah bisa.
Alright guys, after that meal we're back to the hotel again, so you need to rest and kinda late. It's already 10 o'clock in at night, and this is what I tell you about. We went to the Pizza Hut. Has team favorite is has always. He liked the Pizza Hut. He loved the pizza there, and we went to enter, and then the waiter coming asking me, "Are you vaccinated?" And I said, "Of course, yes, I am." And then he said, "Are you alone?" And I said, "No." And then he said, and then he go to Tim to ask like, "Are you vaccinated, sir?" He just, and then Tim said yes. And then the Indian guy with I think they couple, man and woman, and then they sitting next to me, and then they keep snatching like I don't know, coughing, and then I feel not comfortable. I'm not uncomfortable sitting there, and then I moved to the other chair because it's empty, don't have any customers, not much, and then the table was empty, and then I moved there, and then this waiter coming again, he not let me to sit there, and then he said just that's poor person sitting in there, and then so we so irritated. It's so annoying, that waiter. So we just leave the Pizza Hut. We don't even order, we don't anything, because I feel so angry, and then was so hungry, and then they treat us like that. How could be like you treat your customer like that? So we just leave the Pizza Hut. So anyway, I think that it's for today, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Press that subscribe down below, and thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.